have played this, drop this lesson. Yo, what's up, my piano friends? This is another episode of Piano 101. I'm sorry I should have dropped this last week, but here I am anyway. Alright. I don't think you heard that one. Let me play it properly. Let me play it again. I'm trying to avoid the falsity. Let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright. So welcome to another episode of Piano 101. For those of you that did your assignments, I'm proud of you guys. I'm really proud of you if you have been following from the first episode up until now. So yes, like I said, I usually upload the assignments on the comment section, and then I also encourage you guys to ask your questions there so that I can answer it. Your questions actually help me to identify the areas that $100 students are finding confusing. You get? So when you take a look at it and you find this confusing, it's possible that a lot of other students are also finding it confusing. And by the time you comment and like let me know your questions, you ask your questions in the comment section and I answer it, you would have solved the problem for not only yourself but for the other people who are learning on this channel. Okay, so praise God. Today's class, I just wanted to complete what I started last week. I started technique. I will be dropping the another 2 videos this week. This one and expect the other one. I will enter harmonic structure, chords and chord progressions. So, and that's because this one was supposed to be for last week. So both the one for last week and the one for this week would be dropped this week. Last week I showed you something like this. I showed you fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't remember, check the previous video. So I only showed you the fingering for the key of C. Now I would have to show you the fingering for the other keys. Now each of these videos I'm rushing and packing them tight. So in case you do not understand, just pause, watch like only a fraction of it, and maybe like say the video is 60 minutes, assuming it's 60 minutes or 15 minutes like it usually is. You would go through the first 5 minutes, you are able to understand that, give it a break, practice what you learned in that 5 minutes, go again to the video the next 5 minutes, that's from the 5th to the 10th minute. Yes, you go through that, give it a break, then go from the 5th to the 11th minute. My point is that as far as you are understanding something additional and something new, you're actually making progress. Yes, in case you are feeling like there were things you didn't understand in the video, if you go through the video without understanding every single thing, it means you are a genius, and I celebrate you for that. Let's get started. So I would like to group these keys like one of my teachers taught me. His name is Warren, Piano Lessons with Warren. He has a YouTube channel. So I would like to group all the white keys together. Most of the white keys have the same fingering as the key of C. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the left hand. So quickly, the key of D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now, I've had to pause myself to make this video. In fact, I made it before. I was tired and I was saying a lot of like, I was really tired and I was saying a lot of things that were incorrect. When I was watching the video, I said, nah, I can't use this. I have to make it again. So please bear with me. You already know the numbers assigned to each finger. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So just watch my hands. At times, I will have to like read out the numbers together, read out the numbers for the fingering together, in case I am making errors. I know you won't be confused because you already understand, you already know what number goes for each finger. Okay, so let's go. On my part, I will try not to let's go straight to D. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. In case you don't know how in case you are wondering how I know which key to play, go and learn the major scale formula in my previous video. Okay, so for the left hand is 1 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Then for the key of E, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Left hand 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Then F, I'm skipping F. There's a reason I'm skipping F. Guess I'm going to have to put it. Okay, so sorry, I'm really sorry about this, but whether the devil likes it or not, I'm supposed to be for today. I stopped at F. I'm skipping F. I'm going to G. G is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. That key is not sounding because the key is faulty. This key, and this key, they're not sounding. Let me do the G here. Did I say F or G? Whatever, you already know. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Then let's do A. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Then the key of B. So B and F, they have something in common. Let me show you. There's a reason why I waited to the last for B and F. So this is how you play the B major scale. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. However, for the left hand, you don't start with 5, you start with 4. The reason why you don't start with 5 is because this hand will have you will be in a position where you are having to play the black keys with your shortest finger, which is difficult. As much as possible, we try to avoid playing the black keys with our shortest finger. So we do 4 3 2 1. Sorry, 4 3 2 1. You see it? So that this long finger can now go to this black key. 4 3 2 1. Then 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So just watch this video maybe at least 3 times to get it clear. Then this thing we just did for the left hand on the key of B, we'll do it on the key of F. 1 2 3 4. You already know why, because it's difficult to cross from here to so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Sorry. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then for the right hand, it's just the same old way. 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. So let's go to the black keys very quickly. Now, for the right hand, anything black keys, you always begin with 2. Look at C sharp. 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2. Then 2 1 4 3 2 1 3 2. Then left hand 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 3 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Then E flat, D sharp. You play it 2 1 3 4. Sorry, pardon me. 2 1 2 3 4. Are you with me? Then 1 2 3. Then 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 3. That's for D sharp. Then let's go to F sharp. 3 2 1. Sorry, 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 4. Then you can do it with 2, but in case you want to play multiple octaves like this. That's when you end it with 4. It's easier to end it with 4. Then play backwards. 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for the right hand, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, sorry, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Then for G sharp, it's 2, 1. So this 2, 1, shall be 2, 3, 1. You know what? You watch my fingers and tell me the fingering for this. Write it in the comment section. Sorry. Like I said, I was really tired. In fact, my brain is half asleep. My brain and my hands are not agreeing on this one. So, but I will still do my best. I'm not going to procrastinate it with you on today. So write that one in the comment section. Alright, then this one, the last one, B flat. Oh, I didn't do the left hand for this. Left hand for this one is see, you start with this. What's this? Then this. Then what number is this? Okay. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Okay, so you always go back the same way you came. Good. So like I said, if you do not understand, watch it over and over again. If I were to explain it in a way that you understand everything, this video will be so long you won't even get to click it. But I want you to learn. That's why I'm doing it this way. I don't want you to run away from what you want to learn because of how long it is. So you can always rewind it and settle down and go through it. Okay, so this 2, 1. It says read out the number. Okay, in case you read out the number, thank you very much. You have saved me from saying incorrect things because I'm not finding it very easy to concentrate in this tired state, so I don't want to mislead you, I don't want to complicate your learning journey. Alright, thank you guys for sticking to the end. Like I said, I'm really proud of you. One lesson at a time, you are getting to the stage of pro pianists. So remember the drill. Your questions in the comment section, your assignments too in the comment section. So I'll give you the assignments. Expect the next video, day 5, this same week. So let me play you out.